Hello and welcome to this stretch tutorial. I'm going to be showing you today how to do the heel cord stretch. It's essentially a dynamic calf stretch, however, we're doing it in a pike position. So what you need to do to start off with is we're going to take both hands and we're going to put them underneath the shoulders. From here, we want to bring both feet back. And then what I'm going to do is decide what foot that I'm going to be stretching. So in this case, I'll stretch my left. I'm going to bring my foot over my Achilles. So what I'm doing with my right foot here is I'm going to push down on my Achilles and I'm going to come back and to my original position. So I'm going to bring my heel down to the floor. I get a stretch within the calf, then I come out of the position. I'm trying to have my end position here where my shoulders are directly over my wrists. I bring my bum back, get the stretch, and then come out of the position. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and reps before repeating exactly the same on the other side. So that is how to dynamically stretch your calves in an active stretch whilst in a pike position known as the heel cord stretch.